Let's fill out the Delaware motorcycle bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the motorcycle and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the motorcycle, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the motorcycle. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Let's walk through what you'll need to get this done right. First, the seller will need to provide a Delaware driver's license or other accepted proof of residency. And here's an important one. All owners listed on the title must sign it, not just one, but all of them. Now, for the actual transfer, you'll be working with the Assignment of Certificate of Title section, which is found on the back of the title itself. Delaware does not require notarization for this, so that's one less step to worry about. The seller will also need to complete the odometer section, which is also on the back of the title. And you'll need to include the sale price as part of the transaction. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.